No way! Curecoin finally went to space. Check this out.
We sent the postcard to Blue Origin's Club for the Future. And Curecoin got a stamp. Went to space. Let's unpack it.
Okay, I guess it's time to tell the folks what's going on with this little card that went to space. So this is our little Curecoin card that we sent to Club for the Future in 2022. It's got a little picture of either protein riding the Blue Origin rocket, and on the back is a description of why we sent it and kind of making a statement of how space benefits medical research potentially. It's a hollow card that has a chip. It's a memory chip that contains a Curecoin wallet. As you can see, it says flown to space, and I believe it was stamped October 7th, 2025, mission NS36. To get the chip out, and we'll put it in my laptop and see if the Curecoin wallet app can read the wallet that's inside. Curecoins that flown to space. A lot of those were actually generated using AWS cloud services back when they were putting out hourly rates at 25 cents an hour. We created a lot of research on AWS systems. That will be the chip that contains Curecoin wallet that we're going to take a look at, connect back up to the network, and maybe even earn some goals going to copy the Curecoin wallet folder from the Club for the Future memory card to my laptop's Curecoin folder and run the wallet app. I'm going to rename the original Curecoin folder to Curecoin-old and plop the space wallet in its place. Since this contains the whole blockchain, it will take a little while to copy over, and we're going to start the wallet app and let it sync with the blockchain network. This can take up to 3 or 4 hours depending on the speed of your network, because the wallet has been in cold storage for 3 years, so I have to catch up. Here we have the wallet after it's been synced, 100 Curecoins flown space. This is the card after it came back with all the Blue Origin. Well, in closing, thank you Blue Origin, Club for the Future, Folding at Home, and everyone supporting Curecoin for making this event possible.